Hello, today I will show you how to simply clean the dirty filter of a Samsung washing machine, step by step, ensuring your washer runs long and trouble-free. Children also like to do this job because sometimes you can find money that has fallen out of jean pockets during the washing process. The first task is to disconnect the washing machine from the electricity to be 110% safe, ensuring nothing had happened. A towel and low-side bowl are useful to make cleaning more comfortable. I used my grandmother's cooking pan. Once you've got the tools, open the door in front of the washing machine. There will be a tube which, when you remove the plug, should let the water out. If you skip this step, when you open the filter, the water will split onto the floor. When the water stops coming out of the tube, pour the dirty water down the sink, otherwise your grandmother makes still boil pasta in it. If there's any water left, put a towel under the washing machine so it doesn't run all over the floor. To unscrew the filter, turn it counterclockwise until you can pull out the filter and all the dirt. Then wash the filter under running water. If there is more dirt stuck to it, you can use your grandmother's toothbrush to scrub it off. Just don't forget to put the toothbrush back. Also check the water pump for any stuck dirt and clean that area too. Then put the filter back in place and screw it on clockwise, tightly but gently. It is important not to forget to close the drain pipe. Otherwise, when you start washing your clothes, all the water from the washing machine will flood your property. Put the sealed pipe back in place and close the front cover. That's it, you've cleaned the dirty filter in your washing machine, and it will last a long time. Tell me in the comments what you found in your washing machine filter.